Salesflare is a CRM that could make a huge difference for your sales team, but before you take the plunge and commit, there are a few things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because we'll dive into 7 essential points that will help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for you. First, Salesflare is known for its automation. One of its key features is the way it pulls data directly from your email and calendar to automatically fill in your CRM fields. It's a huge time saver, especially when compared to traditional CRMs where you're manually entering data. This is a major time saver that lets you focus on what matters most, actually selling, while it keeps track of everything for you. Next thing, Salesflare is incredibly user-friendly. Unlike some CRM systems that require long onboarding processes, Salesflare is designed to be intuitive. There's a clean interface, and the learning curve is minimal. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a growing sales team, you can quickly start using it without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, the integration with your existing tools like Gmail, Outlook, and other apps makes the transition even smoother. The third thing is its focus on automation combined with pipeline management. If you're coming from a competitor like HubSpot or Pipedrive, you'll notice that Salesflare's approach is more hands-off. It automatically tracks sales activities, leads, and opportunities, and does a lot of the manual work for you. It helps you stay on top of leads without spending your day entering every interaction manually, which can be a big pain point with other CRMs. Moving on to the fourth thing, it's incredibly efficient at tracking leads. Salesflare integrates with your email and social media, pulling in information from all your communication channels. This way, you don't have to jump between apps, manually track progress, or waste time keeping things updated. Salesflare keeps everything in one place, making sure you're always on top of your game, unlike other systems that might miss out on key data points. The fifth thing to note is that Salesflare is highly customizable. Whether you need custom fields or workflows, Salesflare lets you personalize your CRM to your exact needs. If you're a growing business, or even an established one looking for something flexible, this level of customization is an asset. Many competitors lack this kind of flexibility, or they offer limited options, which can make Salesflare a great choice for teams that want something tailored to their processes. Sixth thing, Salesflare's reporting and analytics are simple but powerful. It doesn't bombard you with confusing charts and numbers like some CRMs do. Instead, it gives you the insights you need in a digestible format. Whether you're looking to track sales performance or analyze customer interactions, you'll find that Salesflare's reporting tools provide just the right level of detail. And unlike some competitors that offer complicated dashboards, Salesflare keeps it clear and concise, so you're never overwhelmed. And finally, Salesflare's pricing structure is one of the most transparent you'll find in the CRM space. You won't be hit with hidden fees or overcomplicated pricing tiers. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing sales team, you'll know exactly what you're paying for. This is especially important if you've dealt with competitors like Salesforce or Zoho, where pricing can quickly escalate as you add more users or features. If you want to try out Salesflare for yourself and see if it's the right CRM solution for your needs, click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial. You'll get a taste of all the features we've talked about, plus some special benefits to help you get started. So, if you're ready to automate, simplify, and optimize your sales process with a CRM that's built to save you time and effort, click the link below and start your free trial of Salesflare today.